everyone, and welcome to Gierok Farms. In today's video we have some projects here around the farmyard to work on. We're in between hay crops right now, staying busy, improving things, fixing things, stuff like that. So this morning we just finished with chores. Dad's feeding the calves right now. We're washing up the milk pipeline right now. The dairy herd is eating some hay we just laid out for them. Soon we'll be getting them out of the barn, but we're giving them time to eat right away here. We have to clean out the bull barn, and we got a bit of hay that we just harvested to spread that manure on. So we're gonna try to stay busy today. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Beautiful calf. This came out of our albino cow, which is a shorthorn cross. This heifer's daddy is a shorthorn. We're getting some color in their herd. So far, I kind of like these shorthorn crosses. They're more durable, I think. They're good grazing animals. It's the first time drinking out of a bottle because I had him with his mother for a few days. Maybe that isn't the best thing to do because they get so attached. But they sure do well. They're healthier. Sweeping the yard out for the 100th time this year. It seems about every third, fourth day this has got to be cleaned up, no matter whether it rains or not. Otherwise they're tracking it all in the dairy barn. And then it gets so slippery, this way it can dry off.
On to the second half of the heifer and dry cow barn. right, he's gonna go haul that manure. We got a little left here to do, but the skid steer has got a flat tire, or at least just a low tire right now. So we're gonna take it over to the shop and get that fixed right away. It's obviously a fast leak, so it must have just let go now while we were using it. But we do have a tube we can put in it. So we're gonna fix that right away before it turns into a bigger problem.
You can tell it.
Got off the beat already.
Eat some. These are fun to work on because you can get all the money. Okay, put some air in. We want to see where that, before we turn anything, if we got something in the tire, or if it just, you know, just because it wanted to. Pull the rim back. That's crazy. See how that's got to go inside there in order for the squeeze over. The tire ain't gonna move all the rims at once. So it's just a box.
Fixed, and he is back to work. We're gonna get the manure spreader over there for him so he can finish cleaning out that pen. Looks like all these heifers made their way back into the pen. I pushed up their hay there for them, so they must have cleaned out the bunk in the dairy lot, which is good. That's what we wanted them to do. So I'm gonna hurry up and lock these girls back in their dedicated area here. And then we'll open up this lot for the dairy herd. So they can, once we let them out of the barn, or the rest of them out of the barn, then they can make their way out to pasture. more scoop of manure, and then he'll be done in there. And all there's left to do for this barn is lay out some new bedding, which he's got a grapple full right next door over there in the back end of our calf barn. So we'll be done with this project quick, then we can go back to letting the dairy cows out and getting them out on pasture. Got another quick spontaneous repair to make. The screw broke off here that holds this gate against the wall here in this back pen, so better get that fixed, because otherwise they're just gonna be playing with it and bending it up and getting caught behind it. So better grab a screw gun and a screw quick to create a little hanger there again. There we go, good as new. Quick fix. That's what I like to see. Don't even have to try to find stuff to do today. Just little things here and there, the tire and a gate, messing around with that. We're gonna open this back up for the dry cows, heifers, and the bull. They can have their pen back. Looks like he's pretty eager to come back in here. They got water and shade out there and plenty of grass to nibble on, so even if we did want to leave them in there all day, they'd be just fine. So we're gonna leave the gates open so they can go back out there this evening. But as for right now, I have a feeling they're gonna hunker down inside here in the shade in that nice new bedding and hide from the heat for a while. The dairy cows, Dad just started letting them out. They're probably gonna head right up to the trees for a couple hours. They'll get up on the hill. There's a bit more of a breeze today. I have a feeling this is gonna be one of the last few days of heat for the year. We might get another week or two of this, and then we'll get that beautiful fall weather. right, I got all of our tire changing tools picked up. Thought I'd show you guys where the problem was here. So on this inner tube, there's a hole right here, and you can see it kind of drug across it. Part of that might have been getting it out of it. It makes sense right next to the patch that we would have a leak there. And we also have another patch here. Dad mentioned he might patch it again, so get our money's worth out of it. It's good to have that done and checked off the list. But I thought I was going to bring you guys along with for the rest of the day, but it looks like we found plenty of stuff to keep us busy here. So I'm going to end off this video here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end. Let us know what type of summer projects you have going on. Also remember to check out GierokFarms.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We also have Facebook and Instagram if you're interested in that. But that's going to be it. We will see you all next time.